GAP, stock analysis, price predictions, news. In this quick and short 1-minute video, I will show you exactly what I'm going to do and how I'm going to trade. I am the only guy in the stock trading space with an actual 48,000 video track record, and I've documented them all. And with the Gap Incorporated, I actually like this trend quite a lot, let's just get rid of this previous stuff here. The reason is because we've just finally started pumping. And go back, you will see the performance wise, even like last year has been nice, positive. Income statement's been good. Just an overall great ticker, and I like even the volume is nice. So I'm definitely going to keep an eye on GAP. Let's just do this like that. One thing that I hope I see is just like a proper double break confirmation, right? And if I do not see that happening, then guess what? I'm not going to buy. Simple. And people really like to overcomplicate, but it doesn't have to be complicated at all. So if rules are met, I'm moving forward. If not, it's all good. And this is the 15-minute chart, you know. So if you want to stay tuned, get the first link in the description. I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.